Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're visiting one of the coolest MX superstores in Taiwan called INMOTO. Let's go check it out. Wow, this place is sick. They have way more gloves than the other store. They have all these Ride Fit 100% gloves I love so much. He just got me. Oh man, I'm for sure gonna spend some money here today, dude. Lots of nice Fox gloves. Durpaw, XLs, Rangers. Those are sweet. Leatt gloves. I feel like Leatt stuff generally runs a little bit tight. That's pretty cool. Feel that. It's got some knuckle armor on it. It's not bad, man. Low profile knuckle armor. Leatt stuff. Everything Leatt I have runs a little bit on the tight side. You know what this is?
Brace? Neck brace.
Yeah, it's a knee brace. No, I said yeah, it's a knee brace.
It's a neck brace.
Yeah, neck brace. He says USWE is a Swedish company, and this is what they specialize in. But these gloves are incredible, man. These are some of the most comfortable gloves I've ever tried on. They got me. I'm definitely gonna get these, man. I think I've seen those in bike shops, but I've never seen these gloves. But anyways, these gloves are good, man. I'm definitely gonna get them. Very comfortable and true to size. Sometimes like a large or extra large doesn't fit like it's supposed to because they cheap out on the material and make it a little bit too tight. It's the Duke Boys helmet. You don't know the Duke Boys, man? That's what I grew up with. The General Lee jumping over the ponds. And the cops chasing him all the time. You never seen that? It's like a guy with blonde hair and a guy with brown hair. Daisy.
I'm sorry.
Roscoe Pico train. Okay. That's cool. They have a lot of Airoh helmets, yeah? I think they have them all. They have Acerbis helmets too. That's definitely carbon. Feel how light it is. I'm down with these light helmets, man. Usually about 1,250 grams. Perfect. That's light. But you feel it, man. If you have a heavy helmet on your head while you're riding, it sucks. Your neck will get sore. Do you know that there's a set of ARMEGAS right there? What? Are those ARMEGAs for sale?
For sale? No.
Oh, they're not for sale? They go with the set?
Yeah, it's a set.
Are you sure? Where's this one set? Come on, that's not a set, man. Let me just check it out, if it's worth pursuing. Oh, it's gold and black. Can I buy these? Dude, black and gold ARMEGAs, man. How much are they? I'm gonna go ask him that. Show me where the ARMEGAs are. Do these make my head look smaller?
Yeah.
Okay. It's like I'm hand-picking my ARMEGAs. Did I already open this one? Is that the one no, that's not the one I have. This is actually one of the ones I want. Isn't that your style?
You don't like this one?
No, I think you would like this.
Not bad.
Yeah. I think that's your style all the way. Go ARMEGA or go home. You know what I mean? These things were made for me, man. Oh my God. These are so sick.
Cool.
For sure, these are coming home with me. What up? Oh, check it out, man. They have Acerbis stands. In Italian, it's pronounced Acerbis.
What?
I said in Italian, it's pronounced Acerbis. But I just say Acerbis. That's cool, they got stands. So if we need a stand, like, quick, and they got gas jugs too.
Yeah.
If we ever need a gas jug, I can come get that. Mr. Echo would juice his nutters over that thing, man. Oh, gas bikes. Look at this one. This Jarvis. This thing's sick. White, black, and gold. I mean, I already have Gaerne fastbacks, and I love those boots. These are a few levels up. Really stiff boot, I heard. But if you have wide feet, this might be the boot for you, because this is the roomiest boot that I tried on out of all of them. This one feels really comfortable, but it's also the stiffest. I kind of like that one. It's not bad. I definitely like this one. Another SG22 Gaerne. Nice boots. So yeah, it's between the CD, the Gaerne SG22, and the ALPINE STARS Tech 7 Enduro. And I want the Enduro boot because it's got these grooves in the bottom. So you can get a little bit more traction when you're walking around. And we do a lot of trail riding, not just the MX track. The MX boots, I don't think have the grooves in the bottom. I'm pretty sure. That's the only difference. Remember I asked you what you thought of this? I said it was between this one and another one. Yeah. And I got the other one. But actually, I want to get these. I can say for sure, 100%, this one is the most comfortable I've ever tried of any boot, period. Like any kind of boot. This thing feels like an Air Jordan sneaker. It is so comfortable. And I've tried on all of these boots. And the fit is not too bad. I got the same size boot that I wear in sneaker, and it fit perfect. And you can even wear these with thin socks. You don't have to have thick comfort socks for these, you know, because they're so comfortable on the inside. I'm not lying, dude. It feels like a sneaker. I was shocked when I put it on. Which one do you like better, the black and white or that black and gray that I tried on at the other store last week?
Maybe black and white.
You like the black and white better?
Yeah, I like.
Man, you told me you liked the black and gray better before. No, I said like, hey, which one do you like the best? And you're like, yeah, black and gray is cool. I like them both. It was really hard to decide. They have all the Leatt safety gear, dude. I want to get the 6.5 armor. We're starting to go really big at the track now, so that's why I'm here looking for motocross gear. My MTV trail shoes aren't cutting it anymore, are they? I got holes in them because I'm landing on the pegs so hard now. I want to go put the two white braces on and truly become a stormtrooper. I'm sure he don't want to mess around with that again. Just for my childhood fantasies. Feels protective. Yeah, the one that I have is like, it's basically this one, but it actually has a suit too. Oh. Comes with the elbow pads and everything. So you have to wear the suit plus the chest protector. That's how these work. This feels not bad, man. Honestly, dude, when you have your jersey over this, you don't really see it. It's not like it's so bulky. The Reflex ones, which is more like a gel or something. I don't know what this is. Alpine Stars has one similar to this too. It's pretty nice. They also have that one with the airbag. The airbag. Remember? They decommissioned the vacuum cleaner. Check it out. I'm gonna try on this Mobius X8 brace because my knees are trashed. I skateboarded and snowboarded for like 20 plus years, and I destroyed my knees going off of big kickers. So I think one of these knee braces can really help my riding, man. Sometimes I feel a little bit wobbly in this knee on big jumps. Yeah.
I saw they have black ones.
Yeah, but come on. I want white, dude. Stormtrooper white, come on.
One is here.
Yeah.
One.
Yeah,
We
one,
got it.
Two.
Yeah.
And three.
Yes,
And 4.
What?
Man, I feel like it's tighter on my left than on my right. That's interesting. These come with different size inserts so you can customize the fit. I'm gonna try another insert because this one feels like maybe the insert is too small compared to the one I tried yesterday. So what he's doing right now is he's changing the foam insert on the Mobius brace for a better fit because the pad that was on there is a little bit too small, I think. The plastic was actually hitting my knee. Now the thing with these X8 braces is you want to make sure that it's almost undersized, not oversized, or else the brace won't work as it's supposed to. If you crank it and it like hits, you got too big of a brace. So actually I got the medium. Yeah, let me try this. But it's interesting, man. My left knee must be bigger than my right knee. Does that sound weird? Could it be slightly bigger?
Yeah, because you have surgery before.
Yeah. I should have left that white chest protector on before trying this, right?
Yeah, so you got the whole set on.
Yeah, man. I could have got some white gloves. Holy moly.
I thought you were going to backflip.
Like I was getting down ready to, I don't think so, dude. But man, this feels good. I'm like the bionic man now. And then this thing, this will go inside the boot up to here. So the whole thing just feels really solid with the boots. Yeah, I'm feeling this, man. I'm digging this. But you can see, like if I got a bigger size, I'd be in trouble here because this thing actually will hit. That's what I read anyways. You don't want to go too big. So I got the medium. And then it has this quick release, just pop, opens right up. Anyways, I think this is the best brace on the market. Just for that reason, that it's super slim. And it's good. Like this thing will react when the leg twists in some weird, unnatural way. This thing will actually react and get tight and keep your leg from twisting weird. That's what I need. I have these pants, man. Let's see, are these my size? Yep, could have came here and bought them. Instead I paid $100 shipping. They're pretty nice. I like those patterns. The material, all the material they use feels so nice. Come on, man. This is your style.
This is for sure.
I know you're eyeballing this. That's you.
Like that.
Look, feel how soft this knobby is.
Yeah.
You can squeeze it.
Why?
I don't know. That's like the softest compound I've ever felt. MAXXIS is super soft. Can you see that? That's crazy. I've never seen knobbies so soft before. What would this be good for? Like sand? Mud, probably? I'm thinking. You know, really soft dirt.
Soft dirt?
Yeah. Who's this guy? Jesus, who's the wheelie maniac? Oh, that's Graham Jarvis? Yeah. Really? Yeah. He came here?
Yeah, he came here.
Oh my God, how cool is that? Did you get that other stuff in the car?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So I got my gear and I think we're gonna head back to the studio and check some of this stuff out. See you guys in the next one. Peace.